Review time. So, we're here at, what is this?
Dave Post.
Dave Post Barbecue. So, Pat says that they have the best mac and cheese of anywhere.
Yeah, no doubt. No doubt.
Anywhere.
Anyway,
So, we're going to try it.
we're going to try it.
Well, I'm going to try it for the
He's
first
going
time.
to try it. First time. Bon appetit.
Wow. That is like creamy, and the noodles are perfect, and
That's off the, as Guy Fieri says, it's off the chain.
that is off the chain. That's amazing. All right, so I got brisket too. Let's try that.
Brisket's really good.
I swallow brisket.
It's good brisket, not too dry. And now the
We got coleslaw here.
coleslaw with poppy seeds.
Poppy
It's the
seeds.
secret.
It's really finely chopped.
It's off the chain.
It's good. All right, so that's a review.
Take care, guys.